Tips for making money online with affiliate marketing. Optimize for search engines. Part 1. Optimize for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a vital component in driving organic traffic to your affiliate website. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can increase your visibility in search engine results and attract targeted visitors who are actively searching for the products or services you promote. Here are some key aspects to consider when optimizing your website for search engines. Conduct keyword research. Start by conducting comprehensive keyword research to identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Use keyword research tools, such as Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or RFs, to identify popular search terms in your niche. Focus on long-tail keywords that are specific to your affiliate products or services. Incorporate these keywords strategically in your website content, meta tags, headers, and URLs. Create high-quality and relevant content. Developing high-quality and relevant content is essential for SEO success. Craft informative, engaging, and well-structured content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Incorporate the identified keywords naturally within the content while maintaining readability and flow. Aim to provide valuable information, answer common questions, and offer solutions to the problems your audience may have. Optimize on-page elements. Pay attention to on-page optimization factors to enhance your website's visibility in search engine rankings. Optimize meta tags, including meta titles and descriptions, using relevant keywords to accurately describe your content and entice users to click through to your website. Ensure that your headers, H1, H2, etc., are properly structured and include targeted keywords where appropriate. Optimize your URLs to be concise, descriptive, and keyword-rich. Improve website speed and performance. Website load speed is an important ranking factor, as it directly affects user experience. Optimize your website's performance by minimizing file sizes, enabling browser caching, and leveraging content delivery networks, CDNs. Compress images and use caching plugins to improve load times. Mobile responsiveness is also crucial, as search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites. Ensure that your website is fully optimized for mobile devices, providing a seamless experience across different screen sizes. Enhance user experience. User experience, UX, plays a significant role in SEO. Provide a user-friendly website navigation structure, ensuring that visitors can easily find the information they need. Create clear and intuitive menus, organize your content into logical categories, and implement internal linking to guide users through your website. Optimize your website for easy readability by using legible fonts, appropriate font sizes, and sufficient line spacing. Build high-quality backlinks. Backlinks from reputable and relevant websites signal to search engines that your website is trusted and authoritative. Focus on building high-quality backlinks through guest blogging, influencer collaborations, and partnerships with industry-related websites. Create compelling and shareable content that naturally attracts backlinks from other websites. Monitor and disavow any low-quality or spammy backlinks that may negatively impact your SEO efforts. Leverage social media. While social media signals do not directly impact search engine rankings, social media platforms can play a significant role in driving traffic to your affiliate website. Promote your content on social media channels to increase visibility, engagement, and the likelihood of earning backlinks. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage social sharing to amplify the reach of your content. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics or other SEO analytics platforms. Track important metrics such as organic traffic, keyword rankings, bounce rate, and conversion rates. Analyze this data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your SEO strategies accordingly. By optimizing your website for search engines, you increase the likelihood of attracting organic traffic and generating qualified leads for your affiliate marketing business. Implementing effective SEO techniques, producing valuable and relevant content, and continuously monitoring and adapting your SEO efforts will help your affiliate website rank higher in search engine results, attract more targeted visitors, and ultimately drive conversions. Here are some additional tips to expand on the topic of optimizing your affiliate marketing website for search engines. Develop a comprehensive content strategy. A well-defined content strategy is crucial for successful SEO. Plan your content creation efforts by identifying the topics, keywords, and formats that resonate with your target audience. Create a content calendar to ensure consistency and regular updates. Incorporate a mix of informative articles, product reviews, tutorials, case studies, and other relevant content types to cater to different user intents and increase your website's visibility across various search queries. Implement on-page SEO techniques. On-page SEO optimization involves optimizing individual web pages to improve their search engine rankings. Besides using targeted keywords in your content, pay attention to other on-page elements. Optimize your images by using descriptive file names and adding alt tags that include relevant keywords. Create unique and compelling meta descriptions for each page to entice users to click through from search engine results pages. Include schema markup to provide additional structured data that helps search engines understand and present your content in a more visually appealing way. Leverage long-form content. Long-form content has been shown to perform well in search engine rankings. Consider creating in-depth, comprehensive articles that provide valuable insights and go beyond surface-level information. Such content not only satisfies users' search queries but also demonstrates your expertise in the field. Break down complex topics into subheadings and use bullet points or numbered lists to enhance readability. Incorporate relevant images, infographics, or videos to make the content more engaging and shareable. Optimize for voice search. With the rising popularity of voice-activated devices, optimizing your content for voice search is becoming increasingly important. Voice searches often use conversational language and longer phrases, so focus on incorporating natural language and long-tail keywords into your content. Consider creating FAQ-style content that directly answers common questions related to your niche. Use structured data markup to help search engines understand and present your content in voice search results. Build authoritative and relevant backlinks. Backlinks remain a crucial factor in search engine rankings. Focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites within your industry. Reach out to influencers, thought leaders, and reputable blogs to explore guest blogging opportunities or collaborative content projects. Develop relationships with other website owners and offer to contribute valuable content that includes links back to your website. Additionally, monitor and disavow any toxic or spammy backlinks that may harm your website's reputation. Optimize for local search. If you have a local focus or target a specific geographical area, optimizing your website for local search is essential. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing, ensuring that your business name, address, and phone number, NAP, are consistent across all online directories. Include location-specific keywords in your content, meta tags, and headings. Encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings on your Google My Business page to build credibility and improve local search visibility. Stay up to date with algorithm changes. Search engine algorithms are constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest changes is crucial to maintaining your website's search visibility. Follow reputable SEO blogs, attend industry conferences, and join relevant online communities to stay informed about algorithm updates and industry best practices. Adapt your SEO strategies accordingly and ensure that your website aligns with the latest SEO guidelines to maintain and improve its search engine rankings. Remember, search engine optimization is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptation. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your affiliate marketing website for search engines, attract targeted traffic, and maximize your chances of success in the competitive online landscape. Regularly monitor and analyze your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. These tools provide valuable insights into your website's organic traffic, keyword rankings, click-through rates, and user behavior. Monitor the performance of your targeted keywords and identify opportunities for improvement or expansion. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.